Hello! So in the next series of videos, we are going to talk through how to create professional looking exam and worksheet documents. In actual fact, this is the document which we are going to create together. So as you can see, it's a nice professional looking document. It's got features like the number of questions and the number of marks which get added up automatically depending on how many things we write. And if you have a look at the nicely formatted questions as well, there's even space for students to put their answers in. Okay. Now, we're going to be using something called LaTeX. LaTeX is effectively a document compiler in much the same way as Microsoft Word. We're going to be using something called Overleaf, which is an online LaTeX compiler. But if you've never met LaTeX before, don't worry. I'm going to start from assuming that you are a novelist. And the reason for doing that is because even if you're an experienced LaTeX user, by explaining what all the different commands do and explaining how this is actually working, I expect you then to be able to customize this and get this document looking exactly how you want to. So I advise that the best way of actually doing these series of videos is by having my videos up and then actually following along live with LaTeX at the same time. So, hopefully, in about 2 hours' time, you should have a professional looking exam document just like this.